It took me a long time to create this drawing. So let's start from the beginning. Please take a moment, watch this video till the end. Hello, I am Kushal. How are you all doing? I hope you are well. I am doing fine too. This drawing is drawn on 13 by 22 inch normal paper. You can easily find it at local stationery shop. For tools, I kept it very simple. A charcoal pencil, makeup brush, beauty blender and even handmade charcoal powder. Yes, that's all. I have displayed everything on the screen. Just so you see, art does not require expensive supplies. It requires passion. Sure, hyperrealism something needs pricey tools, but true creation begins with something that's no store sells intention. That's exactly how this piece was born. Honestly, this was not even meant for YouTube. I just wanted to challenge myself to see how realistic I could go with minimal materials. But once I started, the journey became bigger than I expected. So I ask you, how close did I came to realism? Let me know in the comments. Because this is just the beginning, I am committed to living up my hyperrealism game and I want you to be part of that journey. My art is proof you don't need expensive tools to master hyperrealism. True artistry lies in skill, not spending. If you think you don't have enough materials to start, here my challenge. Pick up what you already have and just begin. The path will reveal itself automatically, and along that path, you will learn more than you can imagine. One day you will realize mistakes are not failure, they are lessons. I believe we are our own greatest teacher and nature itself teaches us the rest. This artwork teach me something important. No matter what happened, keep moving. The tripod broke, but I did not stop. I was hospitalized, forced to pause for months, and then exam came in the way. Wait, I promised myself it will finish this artwork, and today here it is. Without your love and support, none of this would have been possible. Honestly, your comments and encouragement have inspired me more than you can imagine. So thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I know you will share this video because deep down, every single person has an artist within them, waiting to be awakened. This is just the beginning. Stay with me because the journey to true hyperrealism has only started.